Alright guys, today we're going to be reviewing a front center seat and headrest organizer. Here's what comes in the box. You got a manual, how to install it. You have a screwdriver or 2 screwdrivers, some hardware. We got a metal bar to put it on your headrest or your front seat, your jump seat, the one that you fold. I have a 2013 F-150, and it has the jump seat that you can become or lay down to be your armrest. Has some mats that has some sticky rubber in the back, and it has some grippy texture so nothing slips out. This is the tray. I have put all the little mats inside, but they all come, take them out. That's how grippy they are, that once you put them in, it's gonna be hard to take them out because they are very great quality. So they are cut to the same size of the trays. It has one inside the cup holder too, so your cup won't go anywhere. Go in right there. You can see it has some texture in there. You see inside there is 2 screws. If you don't want the cup holder, you just take one of the screwdrivers, take it off, and then this goes where the cup holder was. So now you have a whole piece here to put whatever you want to put in there, extra keys or your watch or whatever you need to put in there. But as you can see, it has a lot of space that you can utilize to put. If you got kids like me, you're gonna have a whole bunch of stuff that you can put in here. And with these little grippy mats, they ain't going nowhere. And you can put your extra for kids. So the cart comes with 2 and then an extra one, and then it has more space, more cup holders, more everything. And if you have a big family, you know that's a plus. To install the metal piece, you put it one side first, and then you go around and press it, and it goes in hard. You have to press hard to get it in there. Now it's there. Now it's ready to put in your truck, and it has this piece right here, this piece of hardware that goes here, and that will secure it in here. So it has two screws that goes there, and then you can just secure it with your screwdriver. That's all it takes to secure the bar here, and then you are ready to go. And then here it will show you how to put it in your headrest and in your armrest. So let's go install it, see how it looks. It's very well made. It's hard plastic, so you know it's not gonna break, it's not gonna melt. The mats are very well made too, so you know it's a great product. I definitely recommend it. So let's just go install it and see how it looks on my truck. All right, the first step you do to put the tray is take the headrest out of the jump seat. Do that by pressing this button and this button at the same time. Then just take it off, light them up to the hole, press the buttons. Now you have your extra space for your jump seat. Easy to install. If you don't want this, all you have to do is take this off. Take the bottom part off. Take it off real quick. Take that this bottom part off. You see those 2 screws, you take them off. Take this off, and then you put this this one here, but I'm gonna leave it there because I have a big family. So then you get these here, non-slip, very easy, very well made, definitely recommend it. So go get yourself one.